welcome back to another episode of Clarissa Cooks It All. And today we're going to be making some chicken wonton tacos. Let's get started. Alright, we have 5 chicken thighs here, and we are going to trim the fat off of them and slice them all up nice and thin. Alright, we got this all chopped up. Let's get a small bowl and start mixing our marinade for it. We're going to add in some soy sauce. A little bit of some sesame oil. Some sesame paste. using my slicer to do mine. So I'm gonna set it, and I want thin slices, so we're gonna put it down at 0. I shouldn't have left that up on there. That's hot as shit now. Alright, and this is pretty much done and ready to come up out of here. And then I'm going to wipe out my pan a little bit. And we're going to heat some oil in here to make our wonton tacos. The shells. So. Alright, it's time to start heating our oil and getting our pan ready so we can fry up our chicken and onions. We're going to heat about 1.5 tablespoons of some olive oil with about 1/2 teaspoon of some sesame oil in there. Oh, it smells really good already. I'll be adding my onion into it here in a minute. Oil heated up and make our taco shells. Okay, so this didn't exactly turn out how I wanted. My smoke alarm kept going off and my son's trying to sleep. So I'll try to update the video later with some better made tacos out of my wontons. But so the coleslaw was going to go on top, but we have this instead now. That's okay because we're still gonna eat it all together. Now I got my sauce here. watching, and stay tuned